Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HONOR Magic5 Lite 5G to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by clicking on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to and close it by hitting OK. Then select Close in the pop-up at the top. And finally choose Send at the bottom left corner of HONOR. Then Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for you to decide if you wish to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Click on Close this window and go back to HONOR. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to choose all files that you wish to transfer. If you see this Allow button, this one, click on it and select Allow in the pop-up, or click on it and tap on the switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then go back. Finally, when you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. I will go with only a couple of files though, so I have to click on the chosen ones, like those two pictures, and then select Send. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, tap on Got It and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. In order to input this key, click on Input section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!